Amado Chan Rukula Bolova, by Yunya Dumagao, Miafo Wisdom, Baka, Miafo Wisdom Blackbird, Williams, Koku, Amaton over Agbalang, by Yunya Dumagambu.
Abe PTA chairman de nuka omele abe America plus ube doya ike tumole na view suku view mejima na sego na be internet nwe kafia mashama gbagba jembe nane nenye nane ebe AI obale amashama ICT center tumno duma view kake America na twa roro ki pleve no view wadoro ki jibe enwa maga ejiwa oro achi doji maga efuma nyama segom le ko joafi
Afia mema kona dufia kwa
dufia ba duma magan ova ko afia opo do na menye wo nyame yo ka no magbana afia wa
na nkata e uloba na anyadzora ekpojinchi ye duma via ro chin roku o mataku ya kpo dufia wo wono nya gbule
afuma menye ma second ba dufia ho la duma aka duma gan o choko abe yo awonu ike afia wo ma le nyanyama no Akpem Sinabi TV, Everlove TV, mi va dore abolove et que mi dore ipikpo aji et que nene po banya fia chipin si ala fi ekpe mo mera fun ekei mo tura fuma afi anyigba ala fia fumaro enyame obe yo atu ICT center de duyama na sukuvio na kpo nsoso ICT center pa nyawe nyanu ka yimvivlai et que solaga poma o nyame o ka dongobe aw aduya jebe yotu ICT center na plus be nsoso na eji kaka amaro chianro ki obe yonya dumagan e ka yavi peka nyame ke longogba no wado achi doji be o mo pomo atu ICT center leko joy leko mo jo onwura gbala ha koro achi doji gbala la ji bu kaka adore Solaga fo magbo na ma ke ogere Torgbi Solaga Akakpo II e ka odron leta yang eke leta yang urua emanya wenyo bimia sine miava
ni choya balare bana to ya opeta ple apetore wo yo ba ablepe agbe ga mi yo ni le de biama Council of Elders, Abolova Community, PO Box 1, Afifa Vier. We are a community organization. Only the family head, Akakpo family, Abolova. Suspension of proposed computer laboratory project. Onaba nikata miesa kwa. Ko anya ho we the Council of Elders of Abolova and the executives of Abolova Citizens Development Association have noticed that a proposed computer laboratory project is to take place at Abolova EP Primary School. The above mentioned project is being sponsored by Akakpo family of Abolova. We regret to write and suspend the proposed project indefinitely for further consultation. Madam Manyak Balafuel. This decision is taken as a result of a special meeting held today, 9th of March 2026 at Abolova. We are sorry for the inconvenience that may be caused. Thanks. 1. Dumaga Wisdom Beka Abolova. 2. Dumaga WY Blackburn Abolova. JK Williams Secretary. Alaba una copy no ya the municipal chief executive Keta, the SMC chairman Abolava, the head teacher EP Primary School Abolava, the district pastor EP Church Afifa, the assembly member Abolava Monafi, the PTA chairman Abolava Monafi, the unit committee chairman Fia Maoni Amashaba one ha copy. Aha. Alaba ai head teacher honwe I lose hope. Ye ko gbara be na e bo etija magachi jo bolo bra manya mi fu me vi onye ko maro gbara e ona ba ma copy na ga mi na mi ehia ni o ha nyen totonye na mi ehia ni o nyen totonye ale ba maro gbara ko Nyalita head you to the Secretary, Council of Elders, Abolava Community, P.O. Boss 1, Abale Ko suspension of proposed computer laboratory project. Umad Jagoma direct, addressed to the family head, Akakpo family, Abolava, and received on 11th March 2026. Makes an interesting reading. The family is grateful for your concern. First and foremost, may I ask, who constituted you and the other two signatories of the letter as Council of Elders of Abolava Community? How, when, and where were you appointed? I ask this question in my capacity as the Dusifia Gazetted of Abolava Ngomapi, Torgbi Solaga the fifth being the Dufia of Abolava Ngomapi, and not funeral announcement chiefs. Hey. Kuba para fe la bola fue plego la fiacata. Okay. Please, a log cannot be in a river for long and turn into a crocodile. It will still be a log, come what may. It is unfortunate that Torgbi Solaga the fifth is not served with a copy of your so-called command letter. However, I will give him a copy and that of my response. I have to state here without mincing words that lack of knowledge in people's lives predisposes them to behave in negative and unproductive ways. Does it mean that there are no indigenous citizens of Abolava Ngomapi who can constitute themselves as Council of Elders than you, a Liberian descent, and the two others from Hutiawe, respectively? I will elaborate if and when the need arises. Akakpo family is highly enlightened since time immemorial and will not stoop so low to litigate with you and cohorts. It will not progress the development of Abolava Ngomapi in any way. Please delve into your histories individually to know how you are generated at Abolava. It is now clear to Akakpo family, a respectable and peace-loving family, is targeted for ridicule and destruction by you and your government in exile. without any reason, you fail by the grace of the Almighty. We just want to project the school to a high level as it is, where I may say all the Akakpo family acquired knowledge as a start, and it is our civic duty to project it. You and your allied perpetrators cannot stop us in our trails. You have no audacity. Your letter, therefore, is deemed as a trash to be treated with disdain it deserves and sent to the trash bin. Thanks. Alaba, my own copy ko. Wama now. Ala mi ato ko. No na be ahwe. Ko magloba anyale nye.
Apa bakara mi sama nya okata ike aduna nonyi amaruna ko dodo ki ojiba duma gayin gogbo amaruna ko dodo ki jibe na yuma lemwa anwama nyonyogo amaruna ko ya dodo ki jibe na yuma lekwa duma gogbo yiwa yi anu alaka aduma vi olifia nu shia nu government gbagbajem amashama gbagbajem gogbo yi never yo duma amaraka na ko ya dodo ki jibe aduma gayin go wonu blanyi ikele egba mafifla fia no atropa gbana no yomo a omo no na duma alaka Torgbi o jagba pun koku do wona nkaka matin ijo magbon no ba jagba na atro wona ike unit committee chairman la gbonye la fia ike mami ashimi ege na wado nyare ka avanguna plus ba mi ado je kura afia fa anyigba ya fa nyawo ike anka marako tavangunya tavagbonye akpa bana yo won kona
nkonya Pascal da Silveira akpe
no ba chippings ekpe ya mima anyigba ha la fi bebi otu ICT na adu sukuvio adumavio fifia ICT fa nweka ye zama mashama le konwo wo me adu ochichim mi o mi jegoma ko wavadu aleka nuka ejo afi wa yala
ba mi ada kpana Akakpo foma do fa agbagba zezota dale ojibe yo hanku vivena sukua bana suku vina tancha asro mofun ikana ligba de fi soson ko ngogbo yime wo asro eta gaka na neva de pota onu ikawe ba amado o chan oruku le bolove ba yonya dumagawo miafo wisdom baka miafo wisdom blackba ple Williams koku amaton ya wo fa agbanle ngonglo ba yonya dumagan ple dumagan bubu wo o we ba dova chi akpojifia o ngogbanle koroshi doji ba ele ba wokpo yo dumo chichi adu ha fi dona yiji aya we ba gbanle ya yinka ka ba ke miapa headmaster shile kpojafi aba headmaster en Torgbi Solaga nya ka ke gbanle yim ka kopin tonto ake Torgbi Solaga eveliashi ika iha angu gbana kodo gbala yanchi ngui da funya ba akpoja fiamela aba nyamanya PTA chairman na agboji jivie mano jaji fia pa anyi sonye hi mi zaje shiba suku da shiare ko adue ononyina la suku nyava adue gloni na nkata e ulaba na anyadzora akpojinchi ye dumavia ro chin rokyo o mataku ya kpodufia wo wono nya gbule
afuma manyima segomba adufia ho la duma aka aduma gan wachoko abeyo awonu ike afia wo male nyanyama no wodo achi doji mamaga afuma manyima segom la ko jo afi
afia mema kona adufia kwa
dufia ba duma magan va ho afia wo pa do na manyi wo nyama yo ka no magbana afia wo
goma saliba du maga okra adufia we chana o afinya na du maga ka nya zozon fila fia du fia mo segomu ka du mafia goma sego ya we bo laba onshang na ba atojiala ka du fia gwagwa zamba yodo ona odo
ka aba PTA chairman de nuka omele aba amadaka plus ba doya ika tumola na view suku view majiba na segoma na ba internet nwe ka fia mesiama gbagba jembe nane nenye nane be AI obale amesiama ICT center tu no dumavio kake Amerika na twa do roku kplewe novio wa do roku jibe enwa mega ejiwa abe wo nene nka wo meni le plus be edoya na tan eji as PTA chairman EP suku ya le bolove
akpa aye gbalanva mefo abe SMC kple PTA na me so kple staffa ala be me dang kple kuro nanchi kake onya anya va du nyata me da shinyang na du fiobe na okpogbo mi mi to mi to shi won fi oglo le takpo kple consultation kple du mo chichi mawo me kake wo gbanya shenya ta mi da shinya chire du fio
ogbanya shenya ekenye ewonu ike ewon blanyi be eduna no anyi oboado nana alowado ICT center na dua Amerika evero wakwa dodo kujiba nwa maga ejiwa anya nu ike na onye be overjog baraka enu ya metin ejiwa edumavio mi anye be yofa amayawo ike yawi beka elongo na wawe nya me yoka webe enu ya metin vajio ta anyo be dumavio ya asi alaka afonye ameda kpono bana do jenam le egba panke kama ikemie le bolove abolove EP basic school ama ikefia enye ICT center fia obo atudo ikene do jenam le egba panke kama kaka
akpana mi